How to fix microphone echo on PC. This tutorial shows you how to stop echo during calls and recordings on Windows. First, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar. Tap Sound Settings. After that, scroll down and tap More Sound Settings. Go to the Recording tab. From there, select your microphone. Tap Properties. At this point, go to the Listen tab. Make sure Listen to this device is unchecked. Tap OK to save. In the next step, go back to the Recording tab. Select your microphone again and tap Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Following this, lower the microphone boost slightly if it's set too high. Tap OK to save. Once done, open the app you're using for calls, like Zoom or Teams. Go into its audio settings. From here, disable any echo cancellation conflicts by making sure only one app is accessing the microphone at a time. Keep in mind, echo often happens when speaker output is being picked up by the mic, so lowering speaker volume or using headphones usually fixes it completely. Finally, restart your PC to apply all changes. And that's it! If this microphone echo fix helped you get clear audio, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.